Hey, welcome back everybody to another 3D printing video. I just wanted to showcase a design I created for my Ender 3D printer. I designed a storage container that separates different parts in the boxes. I needed this because my other drawers were getting full and unorganized, and I decided it was time to fix the problem. I glued magnets on the side of the boxes so I can attach multiple containers to potentially build a huge wall of these. The first box had 9 containers that are all equal in size, and I wanted the next container to hold a variety of shapes, so I printed taller and wider boxes. These are easy to pull out and slide back in if needed. The total print time for everything was around 25 hours and costed around $3 to make for a full container, thus totaling to $6 because I created 2 containers. Each individual box took an hour to print, while the container took about 4 hours. Luckily, I was able to get my hands on a labeling machine so I could label the fronts of each box of what the components are inside. Overall, it really comes in handy since I have multiple small components such as an ATtiny85, Bluetooth HM10 board, and even shift registers. It's nice for those who have an electrical hobby because there are a lot of small electronic components that will accumulate in your inventory over time. I usually purchase my components in bulk, so I always have leftover parts that I can use for later projects, so it is nice to store them in these small containers. I hope you enjoyed this small project. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to leave a like, and thanks for watching.